Channel update 2.0. Where have I been? It's been 7 months since I posted my recent videos, and as you can see, I've only have 13 videos as of now, but I had 58, and I even had more videos of that of older content that I had, and I got to a point I didn't know how to organize and structure everything. And the good thing with YouTube is the exposure and potentially the monetization. But the thing I hate about it is it's hard to organize your videos on YouTube. Okay, so you can see I had a couple videos with a couple thousand views. It's not really about the views. I mean, the monetization, the views, the recognition is nice, but I wanted to produce content that I could not find when I needed it. I feel like the guy that gets on Wikipedia finds information and I place it, kind of sort of like that. Okay, but I could not organize the timestamp. So, for example, the very last video that I posted, Tesla Model 3 performance, right?
You think that
Today, currently, when we recording this video, it is September 25th, 2025. I recorded this video specifically September 25th, 2024. It's been a year ago. On here, it says it was recorded or produced February 12th, 2025, which is inaccurate. Okay. So, and I had other videos. It would be easy to edit one video and I will post it, and then I will post another video that was actually later, right, than said video, but it would show as early because you can adjust the timestamp. Whereas with Odyssey, right, and you can see I've been posting on here well within 7 months. And I've been doing this stuff for a year, guys, since 2017. 2017 is probably the content that I first recorded in a junkyard in Pick and Pull, trying to restore my Buick LeSabre. But as you can see here, right, it'll show August 17th, 2018, okay, to the exact date. I can't do that on YouTube, so it makes it so much easier to organize all my content. And this one specifically, right? So I had another channel on YouTube. This video specifically had over 40,000 views before YouTube removed my channel. I went in a different direction with that channel and ended up getting deleted, violated some policies, and I lost that. And if you guys are familiar with YouTube and its policies over the last 6 years, it's been a lot of issues, especially like, I don't know, 2019, 2018, with people getting their channel strike down, copyright, and all that stuff. And Odyssey, you don't have to worry about that. But it's hard to get that exposure on Odyssey, but I'm not doing it for the exposure. It's nice to get the recognition, but it's more of producing something that someone else didn't do for my specific problem. That's why I did this. And you can see I have, I think, over 100 videos and counting. So that's why it took so long. And actually, I want to try and put different things that are associated with cars, because who's like, it's back to the monetization thing and the view count. Who's really gonna type in, oh, let me go see if I can watch a guy repair a Buick? Like, no, that's because I have a problem with the car, I'm looking for it, and this person has a potential solution to it, so I'm gonna watch it. So it can't really build anything off that as far as views. And as you can see here, like, I have like different things that I place, and you could post pictures on Odyssey and stuff. You can't really do that on YouTube. So like I said, YouTube is more of it just for the monetization. People really do their stuff for the monetization and the exposure, and Odyssey is more for the security and organization. So I kind of use them in tandem. But there's certain videos on here, like the older videos, the Buick LeSabre. I'm probably more than likely not gonna. But these three videos are probably the only ones on the Buick LeSabre, right? And the only reason I really kept this one up is just because of the amount of views I had. I had a couple of views with a couple hundred, like going back to, let's see, the OBD2 sensor, or the OBD2. Let me see if I can find it. Should be on here somewhere. Go back to it. And this is just as an example. Maybe I have to type it in. Hold on, OBD. Right, so this one right here, right? So you come on here, I don't have any views. Well, actually, I've done this one twice. I had 13 views on it, now I have 0. But then if I go to here, and we go to the point where it shows over 1,000 views. So it helped a lot of people, And again, I could not find anything specifically for this car. And again, this is why I do this stuff. But again, exit out on that. But I tried different things, and yeah, just in this update with this video here. But yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna be uploading more on YouTube.
This charger right here is gonna cut through. My feet are in, so